What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick look at Gala. We're sitting at 0.033. We're up almost 6% on the day. Sitting at a market cap of 1.24 billion, 24-hour volume, 165 million. So if we pop into the chart, right now we have a three-wave move. So if you take a trend-based extension from the bottom of that small wave 1 to the top, bottom of wave 2, you can see perfectly pushing right up to the 161.8, which is the normal target for a 3. So what the bulls want to see here is 1, 2, 3, pulling back in a 4 right now, 5. Complete that first 5 waves, maybe break this resistance of 0.0347. Complete the first 5 waves, see a nice pullback, and then continuation to the upside. Of course, it can just explode, but normally that's what you're looking for to show completion of a correction. And what also may happen is price puts in an inverse head and shoulders. So right here you have a left shoulder, you have a head, and then it goes 4, 5, and it goes do, and then see you later. Inverse head and shoulders, that's a possibility to look out for. If we look at the daily chart, we do want to break that trend line back up here to about 0.043 for more bullish confirmation. And basically what you're looking at, larger wave 3 to the upside to 13 cents, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Now, people are quite bearish, quite a few people on Gala. I still think we could reach 60 to 70 cents in my opinion. The bull market is obviously taking its time. Maybe it's going to be extended this year. That's what some people are looking at. But we just have to be patient. We have to wait for the DXY to see a big drop for ETH to take off, and then your altcoins will follow suit. All right, gang, so look for that first 5 waves off the low on the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame for more confirmation that the correction is over. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. That's all you need to do. Once you sign up, send me an email, take 30 seconds of your life. You get access to my daily crypto analysis for many, many coins, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in 4 trades, my Forex signals, as well as you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Definitely a $50 to $100 a month value in my opinion. Yours free with a sign up to BITUNIX. Just take the 30 seconds and I'll send you an email. Free access for life. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.